Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Enlightenment Within. I'm just going to invite my co host and join us in a minute. I'm sure maybe less than a minute as well. There she is. Hi, Gauri.
Hello, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to Enlightenment Within. How are you, Pooja?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. It's so nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, Gauri. So nice to see you.
That's
Okay,
great.
so yeah, so let's just do. I mean, we are going forward with what we did last time, just
Yes,
giving our viewers a basic kind of idea on numbers and
yes,
the meanings that they hold for all of us.
yes.
So last week we did from one to
One to
five,
five. Yes.
and
And
this
this
week
week,
we are doing six to
six to
nine.
nine.
Yeah.
Yes,
So we're
yes.
going to we'll be doing 6 to 9. So I don't know if we should wait for some people to join or should we start? What do you say, Gauri?
We can wait for a minute or two. Yes, for
Mm,
sure.
yeah, yeah,
For
we can
sure.
make yeah, we can make wait for a minute or two and then yeah, then start the live. So in the meanwhile, maybe it's good to know that numerology is a science of numbers,
Yes,
and all of us have a date of birth,
yes,
and that date of birth signifies a lot of things that happen in our life that are pre-decided and the ones that we take some action for. So the numbers give you like an insight. I had said this last week also. I don't know if you remember, Gauri, that for me, numerology, not so much of a predictive tool as much as it is a tool for self-awareness.
that
So
is
when you
absolutely true.
study the
Hmm.
energy of the numbers and when you study their significance,
Hmm.
you will realize that it has so many personality traits,
Yes,
and like I'm a number three. And when I read, number three as per numerology, a lot of things add up, a lot of things match up. It's absolutely incredible. It's any of these sciences, I feel, whether it's numerology, astrology, tarot, these divination tools, I feel they create more awareness
yeah.
um, rather than actually just predicting an event. Oh,
Hmm.
event
Hmm.
prediction is
Hmm.
great. A lot of
Hmm.
us want, if I were to go to an astrologer, I want them to predict the event.
Yeah, yeah.
For me, I like Gauri does fabulous akashic readings. So
Thank you.
anybody who wants to get their readings done from her, she's just fabulous. So like Gauri has told me so many things that have already happened, that are going to happen. So you like to know about your future.
Yeah.
Everybody does. Everybody has that curiosity. But I feel numerology is one science that it brings you in touch with your own self.
Yes.
The numbers tell you a lot about who you are. So for me, that is also extremely interesting, to
Yeah.
understand not just myself. So
Hmm.
when I have a client who comes and I see their date of birth, like the number, so
Yeah.
उसमें से कुछ idea लग जाता है कि
थोड़ा
personality
सा relate.
या कैसा होगा,
Yeah.
who am I, what am I dealing with, who am I dealing with. So that in that sense, it really, really helps. It really helps.
Yes. And
Okay.
and if there's any transformative change, like for example, if you're like this till the age of 30, say 37, and then
Yeah.
automatically you changed, so you know your conductor, your personality and your
Destiny
destiny
number.
is working
Yeah.
together. So
Yeah.
it's,
Yeah.
and the destiny actually does work after a certain age.
Or
Maybe they say
certainly.
34, after 34
Yeah,
mostly.
34, 35. Between, I think, 34 and 37, it's when the destiny number starts to play its part. But,
Yeah.
you can't kind of ignore the personality number
No,
also.
no,
They
because
both,
that's what you see. It's like the sun sign and the moon sign. The sun
yeah,
sign is something that is your personality, and the moon
yeah,
sign is who you internally are. You
yeah,
know, when no
yeah,
one's watching you, who you are. So
yeah.
it's like that. The destiny number is sorry, I'm sorry. The personality number is what the people see, and the destiny number is what you
What life
internally
has
are.
planned for you, what are going
Yes.
to be the events that are going to take place in your life. And
Hmm.
at the end of the day, an event is an event. Your
Hmm.
destiny is going to play out the way it's going to play out. But
Yes.
how you respond to that event
Yeah.
decides everything. So you can challenges किसकी लाइफ में नहीं होते, हम सबकी लाइफ में है। कोई ऐसा नहीं है जिसकी लाइफ में चैलेंज ना हो, और वो
Yeah.
ऐसा बोले तो मेरे हिसाब से तो वो तो झूठ ही बोल रहे हैं, बिकॉज हर की लाइफ में कोई ना कोई चैलेंज होता ही है, हर की लाइफ में होता है।
Because that
So
is the karma that you're here to
yeah,
finish off. So
yeah.
that
And
is
if
going
you
to happen.
absolutely, and if you didn't have karma, then you wouldn't be born. So
Yeah.
all of us who are born happy, kicking alive, all of us
Yes.
have some things to deal with. Each
Yeah.
one of
Yeah.
us, okay?
Yeah.
Some will have it slightly more, some will have it slightly less. It's always a mixed bag. Nobody's life is totally good or
Yeah.
totally bad. It
Yeah.
is always a mixed bag. Kabhi khushi, kabhi gum. That's the that is the theme of life, I suppose.
But as our podcast suggests, enlightenment within, even if it's up and down externally, you can still keep it very happy
Yeah,
24/7 internally. And that is
yeah,
possible when there's a continuous flow of meditation in your routine. There's a continuous flow of awareness, of
yeah,
self-awareness, of if this event is happening, okay, how should I respond? Because
yeah.
responding is in your control.
Yeah,
कि कुछ भी हो जाए, at least I know these things are going to happen, but I'll make sure कि मैं internally उससे
yeah,
affect ना हो. So
absolutely. Yeah.
yeah,
It's all about your response. So the event has no value.
yeah,
We give it the value.
yeah,
And
yeah,
how do we give it value? We give value by the way we respond to that event. So you can
yes,
make a big mountain out of a molehill,
yeah,
or you can, work the other way around. कि
yes,
है प्रॉब्लम आ गई ना, कुछ नहीं होता, अब
hmm,
solution के बारे में सोचते हैं, आगे बढ़ो. So I think that's a great approach to have, because life is never promised without problems. It's never
yes,
promised.
yes,
But you can have a promise to be able to deal with every situation in a wise, calm, peaceful manner, and respond to whatever shows up with wisdom. So
that is
that
true.
can happen. But to expect a life without problems, I think that is a myth that will never happen. It just will not happen.
It's
Okay.
like when you're in a temple. Sorry, I would just like to give you an analogy.
Yes, please.
So it's like, when you're outside the temple, there's so many people. You have to stand in the queue. You have to take out this sweat and there's everything happening because
Yeah.
sometimes the queue is very long. But when you go inside in the Garbhagruha where the statue or the murti is, there's complete silence. There's
Hmm.
complete, as if you don't need to talk or say anything to that
Yeah.
deity because the
Yeah.
deity already knows because they are your mother and father, they
Yeah.
they already know what you want. And this
Hmm.
deity could be anyone. This could be
Hmm.
Shivling, this could be Ganpati, this could be Devi, this
Anybody.
could be Shri
Yeah.
Krishna, anyone. So
Yeah.
it's exactly that. Outside बाहर से बहुत तकलीफें आ सकती हैं पर internally जब हम अंदर झांके देखेंगे तो
Hmm.
अगर हमें शांति चाहिए तो हमें खुद शांत होना पड़ेगा.
Hmm.
So yeah. And it takes a lot, I know, it takes a lot of practice. It takes a lot of
Yes.
resilience. It's not
Yeah.
simple, but it can happen. It for
Can.
sure can happen.
Absolutely.
And there are so
Absolutely.
many examples for it.
Yeah.
There are so many examples for it who have done it. So why can't
Yeah.
we?
Yeah.
We can.
Absolutely. Okay, so should we begin now with
Yes.
number six? Okay,
Yes.
so number six, personality or destiny. I'm like usually personality numbers, what we're talking about right now,
Yeah.
not so much destiny. So number six people, it's a beautiful number. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
these people are very focused on the beauty of life. So they love beautiful things, they love luxury, they love things that feel good, that
Hmm.
look good. तो इनका बड़ा टाइम ब्यूटिफिकेशन, चाहे वो इनका खुद का हो या इनके environment
Surroundings.
ka ho. So
Hmm.
they spend a lot of time doing that. These people are extremely family oriented. So for number six, bonding with the family is very
Hmm.
important. Family
Hmm.
plays a very very important role in their life. So very pleasing personalities. देखने में भी बड़े खूबसूरत होते हैं, एंड इनको सुंदर चीजों का
अपने
बड़ा
आप
शौक होता है,
yeah. Yeah.
so
हाँ.
especially luxury, high end luxury items, they are extremely fond of. So they will go on 7-star holidays, they will want to book the first class in the plane, they will want to pick up a 10-carat solitaire. So inka general tendency is towards these things.
Yeah.
Now that's and relationships are very very important, then family is very important. So if number six for whatever reason is imbalanced in the grid, the one major problem that it can create So this is very generic, guys. It's not
Yes.
that every number six will have this. That's not the case at all. This is very generic what we are telling you today. There are chances of affairs. So if you're
Yes.
married, it could bring about, if Venus, six is associated with the planet Venus, okay? And Venus को हम शुक्र बोलते हैं,
Hmm.
और
Hmm.
शुक्र दानवों के गुरु थे,
Hmm.
ओके, गुरु तो थे,
Shukracharya.
हाँ, शुक्राचार्य। तो उनमें नॉलेज तो बहुत है,
Hmm. Hmm.
विजडम तो बहुत है, बट कभी कभी विजडम का मिस यूज होने का चांस
Yeah.
रहता है। तो दे कैन काइंड ऑफ बेंड टुवर्ड्स इनफिडेलिटी,
Hmm.
अफेयर्स हो सकते हैं, थिंक दे विल नॉट रिमेन ट्रू टू द रिलेशनशिप, दैट इज वन। देन बिकॉज ऑफ देयर टेंडेंसी टुवर्ड्स लग्जरी,
Hmm.
चाहे अफोर्ड भी ना कर पाए तो ये ओवर स्पेंड करते हैं,
Yeah.
टू गेट to satisfy that materialistic desire. So these are some of the imbalances, or the low points
Hmm.
of number six, and it is associated with the planet Venus. So as a remedy, they should donate white things. अब
Right.
जैसे आप घर में खीर बना बना सकते हैं, कोई सफेद बर्फी ले सकते हैं, चीनी चावल छोटी कन्याओं को, छोटी लड़कियों को,
Hmm.
they should donate that. These people should particularly, वैसे तो पूरा घर साफ सुथरा रखना चाहिए, but
Hmm.
particularly the bedroom and the car, because these are so because of their investment in themselves, in
Hmm.
their relationships, the bedroom plays a very important part. Car becomes a symbol of luxury. So these two areas in their life should be absolutely spick and span, should be cleaned every day.
Hmm. Hmm.
The other thing that for number six, and because it is associated with Venus, they should use perfume.
Right.
On a daily basis they should use perfume. And just yesterday I was reading some remedies. This is a Lal Kitab ka remedy,
Right.
in which it said that perfume is very good if you want to balance your Venus or enhance your Venus. To
Hmm.
use perfume is very good, but you should not use the same perfume for more than 2 months. I don't know
Oh.
why, but I just read that. So maybe variety, is what they
Every smell would bring in
bring
some
in some
like,
other
yeah,
energy, I
like rose
suppose.
has a different
Yeah,
energy. Yeah,
yeah,
orchid has a
yeah,
different.
yeah.
Yeah, maybe because of that. Yeah.
Maybe because of that. Then they should wear clean clothes,
Hmm.
and clothes should be ironed.
Hmm. Hmm.
लाइक अगर वो रात का नाइट सूट भी पहन रहे हैं, बहुत लोग हम सुबह के काम पे जाते हैं, घर पे तो साफ सुथरे कपड़े पहनते हैं, बट अक्सर मैंने देखा है कि नाइट सूट पे कोई इतना ज्यादा वेटेज दे।
हाँ,
नाइट
हाँ.
सूट शुड ऑल्सो, बिकॉज इट्स ऑन योर बॉडी इज रेस्टिंग एट दैट टाइम, सो
It's a
द
signal to your
एनर्जी,
body कि अभी
absolutely,
सोना
the
है.
energy of unclean clothes is not good.
Hmm.
So anything that we discuss over here, I would request our followers to experiment with it at least
Yes,
for
please.
40 days and see
Yeah.
how you feel. Wear clean ironed clothes. Clothes
Hmm.
should always be ironed, especially for like a Venus remedy.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so this is what basically is
Number
about
six.
number six. Okay,
Talking about
then
number seven, what would be the traits and everything there?
so first and foremost, it's an extremely lucky number seven. So हमारे आप हमने सबने सुना होगा, seven chakras in the body,
Yes.
seven colors of the rainbow,
Yes.
सात सुर होते हैं. So it's a very very lucky number. These people are extremely spiritually
Inclined.
inclined. Okay, they are
So we're talking
very,
about, sorry, Pujaji, we're talking about 7,
uh,
16, and 25 here. So this
yeah,
is a
yeah.
generic thing for all the three numbers, 7, 16, and 25.
Yeah, anything that totals seven as a
Hmm.
pure seven, anything that totals to a seven will come
Hmm.
under this category. Okay,
Got it.
so
Yes.
they're naturally psychic, so their psychic abilities are extremely strong. So so they make very good mediums, they make very good clairvoyants. They will be able to see the future, so mediumship comes to them very naturally. So they are extremely gifted, very spiritually inclined. Sometimes not all sevens, but sometimes some personalities will isolate themselves, so they like to spend time with themselves.
Yeah,
Zyada
I'll
info.
vouch for that. That's
Yeah,
that's
so
true. We
you're,
need our alone time because
yeah,
that's the
yeah,
energizing
I
time.
know
That's
you're
the
number
charging
seven,
time.
Gauri, so you
Yeah.
can always add to this. So
Yes.
they will They like to be on their own. They're very spiritual by nature. They have psychic abilities. They like to spend time in nature. I suppose because they're able to connect with
Connect,
the
yeah.
energies. Connect with the, let's say, the trees, the plants, even animals, and they're also animal communicators. So number sevens are very, very spiritually gifted people. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Now, the downside of this could be that they're extremely argumentative. So,
Yeah. Hmm.
because also, well, logically
Well,
speaking,
yeah, no, I mean, I would agree to it maybe 30%, 70% I
okay,
won't. Uh,
yeah.
but yeah, that's a little true, a little not, yeah. But
Yeah, so yeah, I mean, so what I'm saying is that not every never number seven will be the same. See, a
yes,
lot depends on what your destiny number is. A lot
yes,
depends on what the other numbers are in your numerological grid. This is like a baseline. Okay,
basic, yeah,
some
yes,
things will match, some things will not match. So yeah, if it doesn't match, it's all right.
it's
Just
fine.
don't worry about it. So
Yes.
they can. So scissors होती है ना कैची, that is signified by Ketu. So कैसे काटती है, तो इनकी जो इनकी बोली होती है that can really cut
Yeah.
and really pierce through. तो इन्हें अगर गुस्सा आए या ये hurt कोई इनको hurt करे तो ये वापस से बहुत sharp जवाब दे सकते हैं. Because I mean they are so much into occult practices. If Ketu is imbalanced, so they can sometimes misuse their powers.
Hmm.
Sometimes, okay. So
Hmm.
it's a generic thing, guys.
Yeah.
I'm saying it again and again. Not every seven will do it, but sometimes they can kind of just go on the extreme edge of
Hmm.
occult sciences and misuse their powers. Okay, they tend to overthink a lot,
Yeah.
and they feel many times that they are misunderstood.
Hmm.
you know Also, these people, they do better, or Ketu will take them out of their country. ये
Yeah.
कहीं बाहर अपने बर्थ प्लेस से, कंट्री हो, डिफरेंट सिटी हो, दे वर्क द बेस्ट व्हेन दे आर away from their place of birth.
Yeah.
Like I had said last time that of that mythological story of स्वर्ण भानु, कि वो डीमन था और उसको अमृत खाने के लिए वो एक देवता बन के वहां पे बैठ गया, और
Hmm.
जब विष्णु जी को पता चला तो उसका सर काट दिया, तो
Yeah.
सर बन गया
Rahu.
राहु, एंड जो बॉडी रह गई वो बन गई केतु. सो
Yeah.
सो इमोर्टल तो हो गए थे बिकॉज उन्होंने अमृत चख लिया था. तो
Yeah.
अब स्वर्ण भानु is a demon, so he is very comfortable in that. Now he has to change his place and come somewhere else, and from जहाँ जब जगह चेंज करी तब अमृत मिला. तो मोस्टली फॉर नंबर 7 and number 4, because they are ruled by Rahu and Ketu, they
Yeah.
usually perform better
Hmm.
when they are away from their place of birth.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is about their when the number is imbalanced, and for them as a remedy, they should गणपति की पूजा करनी चाहिए इनको
बिल्कुल.
वेंसडे को.
बिल्कुल.
तो
Hmm.
गणपति की पूजा करें, ध्रुवा घास चढ़ाएं या लड्डू का भोग लगाएं या जो भी करें.
Hmm.
And then they should be very kind to stray animals,
Yes.
especially stray
Dogs.
dogs.
Hmm.
And काले डॉग को अगर फीड करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा रहता है इनके लिए. एंड कभी ना कभी, जैसे या अपने बर्थडे पे या साल में एक बार, एक ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट ब्लैंकेट,
Hmm.
चाहे वो
Hmm.
स्ट्राइप्स हो, चाहे इट शुड हैव बोथ द कलर्स, ब्लैक
Hmm.
एंड व्हाइट, दैट दे
Hmm.
शुड
Hmm.
डोनेट इन अ टेम्पल
Yeah.
या किसी नीडी को दे दें. So these are some really powerful remedies, but I think mostly because Ketu is associated with the dog, so feeding dogs, taking care of stray animals, giving donations for organizations that take care of stray animals, that's a good thing to do. So that's about number 7.
7. Okay.
Okay,
Number 8.
going to number 8. So
Infinity.
yeah, it
The
is an
sign of
infinity
infinity.
symbol.
Yeah.
It is associated with the planet Saturn. So शनि, जिनसे बहुत लोग बहुत घबराते हैं कि 8 नंबर तो मतलब अब तो लाइफ ही खत्म हो गई. तो 8 नंबर इज अ टास्क मास्टर, आई एग्री,
Hmm.
बट
Hmm.
इट्स अ प्लैनेट ऑफ जस्टिस. तो
Yeah.
शनि अपनी मर्जी से नहीं हमें पनिश कर रहे हैं, हमें रिवॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. जो हमारे कर्म हैं,
Hmm.
जो हमने करे हैं,
Hmm.
उसका वो हिसाब किताब लेते हैं. तो
That
अगर
is true.
आपके कर्म अच्छे हैं तो अच्छा है, और अगर आपके कर्म ठीक नहीं है तो फिर
Hmm.
उसको आप ऑल्टर करें और अपनी डेस्टिनी उस हिसाब से बनाए. So
That
so
is true.
Shani people are the little serious by nature, because it's an old planet. हाँ, तो उनकी
Yeah.
गति भी धीमी होती है, तो वो धीरे धीरे, अगर शनि रिलेटेड कोई बीमारी भी आती है ना, तो वो ऐसी बीमारी आती है जो मतलब वो आपको पीछे ही नहीं छोड़ेगी.
Hmm.
दर्द होते रहेंगे, आर्थराइटिस जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल.
Hmm. Hmm.
दर्द होता है, वो ठीक ही नहीं होता, वो रिश्ता रहता है, लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. These people are extremely hardworking, they are intelligent, um, and they are very prone to, justice. Like हर एक चीज में इनको
किसी के साथ
justice
गलत
चाहिए.
नहीं देख सकते.
गलत नहीं करना चाहिए. They are very like this thing कि मेरे को मतलब हम जो भी काम करें वो सही करें.
Hmm.
So ethical people, so to say. So they're also very very determined, वेरी रिजिलियंट, मतलब सोच लिया तो करेंगे. एंड
बिल्कुल.
हार्ड वर्क करने से तो दे डोंट रेजिस्ट एट ऑल. एक्सट्रीमली हार्ड वर्किंग पीपल, दे आर लाइक दैट कि इनके लाइफ में अगर कोई ग्रीफ मोमेंट भी आ रहा हो या कोई बहुत खुशी का मोमेंट भी आ रहा होगा ना, उसको भी छोड़ देंगे, बोलेंगे पहले काम करके आते हैं,
Hmm.
उसके बाद
Hmm.
इसको हैंडल करेंगे. ठीक है. सो दे दे नीड टू लिटिल बिट टेक इट इजी ऑल्सो, बिकॉज दे वेरी प्रोन टू हार्ड वर्क एंड वेरी फोकस्ड ऑन देयर वर्क. नाउ
They also the success in for these numbers for especially for number 8 ये आएगा ही चाहे वो धीरे आए बिकॉज जैसे पूजा जी ने कहा कि सैटर्न है तो थोड़ा धीरे धीरे काम करेगा हर चीज में
It
बट
delays, it
सक्सेस
never denies.
यस इट
Saturn will
नेवर
never deny.
डिनाइज नेवर
And Saturn जो देता है ना, फिर वो लॉन्ग
भर भर
टर्म
के
देता
देता
है.
है
वो
या
फिर
या
वो लॉन्ग टर्म चलता है. सो अनलाइक अदर प्लैनेट्स, वो देंगे फिर वो वापस भी चले जाते हैं. सैटर्न बिकॉज तब तक आपको इतना परख लिया होता है, तब तक आप इतनी
हम्म
हार्डशिप से गुजर चुके होते हो कि जब सैटर्न आपको देते हैं तो फिर वो जेनरेशनल वेल्थ जिसको बोलते हैं ना, फिर वो जेनरेशनल वेल्थ बनती है. ठीक है.
जैसे
तो
हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी का नंबर 8 है सो
या
इट्स अ वेरी टेस्टिंग प्लैनेट बट इट्स टेस्टिंग नॉट फॉर ऐसी टाइम पास नहीं टेस्ट करते इट्स फॉर अ रीजन आई फील नंबर 8 पीपल हैव अ वेरी गुड टेंडेंसी ऑफ फिनिशिंग देयर कर्मास ऑफ कहीं से
या
भागते नहीं है वो भागने का सोचते भी
या
नहीं है
या
एंड वेरी प्रैक्टिकल पीपल जैसे कि आपने नंबर 7 के बारे में बोला वो थोड़े से इम्प्रैक्टिकल हो सकते हैं क्योंकि अपनी दुनिया में रहते हैं
रहते हैं.
बट
हाँ.
नंबर 8 पीपल आर
नॉट एट ऑल.
वेरी वेरी
वेरी.
प्रैक्टिकल
या
उनको जो चाहिए जैसे पूजा जी ने बोला बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल नहीं होंगे बहुत ज्यादा रोएंगे नहीं वेरी ऑन
ड्रामा नहीं
पॉइंट
करते ये लोग. देयर इज नो ड्रामा इन देयर लाइफ. लाइक इट इज, आई थिंक फॉर सैटर्न इट्स लाइक वेरी ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट.
या
इनके लाइफ में ना ग्रे एरियाज ना इनके होते हैं ना ये समझते हैं. इट इज either this or that,
या
so like
या
yeah, sometimes it can be a little bit extreme, but yeah, that's how they are.
एंड
इनका
ऑल्सो
अगर,
या सॉरी
no no please say, Gauri.
No, I was just saying also आप ये बताना the viewers can tell us and also if it relates to people they can obviously share it but I've noticed कि number 8 people चलते बहुत ज्यादा है everything with their feet they're
Mhm.
always on their feet
Shani
uh,
governs the feet. Yeah.
yes always on their feet even if you have a child of number 8 even if you have a elderly person of number 8 or a middle-aged person of number 8 you'll see बहुत चलते हैं बहुत चलते हैं पैरों पे काम करना मतलब बैठना तो पसंद ही नहीं आता इससे अच्छा खड़े रह के
Mm-hmm.
सुन लेंगे बैठना पसंद नहीं आता सो
हार्ड वर्किंग
yeah
होते हैं, बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग होते हैं. जो चीज
yes
सोचते बड़े डिटर्मिन भी होते हैं. अगर सोचा है कुछ करेंगे तो उसको करके ही रहेंगे. फिर नहीं
बिल्कुल
घबराते कि कोई मुश्किल आए या कोई परेशानी आए, तो वो उसको, एंड वही इनका लाइफ लेसन है. बिकॉज सैटर्न विल create delays in your life. It
हम्म
will create struggles in your life. So the life lesson is this only, that despite your struggles, you have to move forward. कि
yes
रुकना नहीं है, give up नहीं करना. And then
yes
Saturn really blesses. Okay. So on the downside, sometimes they can see Saturn signifies sorrow, it
हम्म
signifies delays. तो
हम्म
आपकी लाइफ में मान लीजिए कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं पर रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा. सो दैट्स अ इम्बैलेंस्ड नंबर 8 और सैटर्न बीइंग अफ्लिक्टेड. रिजल्ट आएगा बट उसमें टाइम लगेगा. सो
हम्म
पेशेंस इज रिक्वायर्ड एट टाइम. These people, because they take a lot of responsibility, तो overburden भी feel करते हैं,
हम्म
so
हम्म
that can be another flip side. The other one can be that if Saturn is really in, Saturn का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ट्रेट क्या है कि आप काम करें, आप
हम्म
फिजिकली एक्टिव हो. तो सैटर्न जब इम्बैलेंस होता है तो उसका उल्टा होता है,
ओह अच्छा
लेजीनेस. काम करने का मन नहीं करेगा, यू विल बी एक्सट्रीमली लेजी, यू विल कीप
Hmm.
प्रोक्रास्टिनेटिंग, आज
Hmm.
का काम कल पे छोड़ोगे, कल का परसों पे छोड़ोगे. So like those tendencies show up,
Hmm. Hmm.
which means that your Saturn is afflicted and you need to do just the opposite, you know, to get your Saturn strong. Now बेस्ट रेमेडी, अब हमने बहुत सुना है ऐसा, हम सब करते हैं, शनिवार को जाएंगे, सरसों का तेल चढ़ाएंगे शनि जी पे, वहां पे जो भी पूजा करेंगे, ऑल दैट इज गुड. बट द बेस्ट रेमेडी दैट आई हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट सैटर्न इज डिसिप्लिन.
Hmm.
अगर आपको अपना सैटर्न सही करना है, डिसिप्लिन, सुबह जल्दी उठना और टाइम पे सोना, दीज आर लाइक, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कोई एक रामबाण रेमेडी
Hmm.
अगर
Hmm.
किसी प्लैनेट की बतानी हो तो सैटर्न की ये है. बी डिसिप्लिन्ड, हैव अ स्केड्यूल, हैव अ रूटीन, sleep cycle should be according to the circadian rhythm if that's possible, so you sleep at sunset and you wake up at sunrise, or
Before a little
before
sun.
sunrise,
Yeah.
little before
Yeah.
sunrise. So
Yeah.
if you can't do that, at least have the same sleep time and wake up time. So that's very important. Some people say,
Would this also apply for people going through Sadesati? Because
yeah,
Sadesati में
100%.
भी शनि looks over the karmas that you do.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
ये Sadesati में भी काम आ सकता है
काम
कि
बहुत
जल्दी
सारा.
उठना, having a
तो
routine.
ये तो मुझे लगता है चाहे कोई भी नंबर हो उसमें भी काम आएगा. आप अगर एक अपनी लाइफ रूटीन से, डिसिप्लिन से जी रहे हैं, इट्स नॉट गोना हार्म यू इन एनी वे,
Hmm.
बट
Hmm.
especially for Saturn we are talking, because usually these people, if it is imbalanced, will have the tendency to not do it,
Hmm.
to not do it, to sleep late and wake up late. For these people, it's going to be an effort to sleep in time and wake up in time. I'm telling you this from personal experience. My destiny is 8. It is very hard. But when you do it, and I
Hmm.
have done it, when you do it, you see the magic in your life. You will really see the magic, how good you feel internally, just by altering one thing, one small thing in your life is your wake up and sleep time. So get up early. If your Saturn is afflicted, get up early.
Okay, so
Other
I
thing,
have one question, sorry, because
yeah,
there must be a lot of people who think कि मुझे जल्दी उठना है. Everyone knows the benefits of waking up before
yeah,
sunrise,
yeah.
waking up early. What should be the mindset? How can people really know कि नींद तो आती है, especially सुबह तो बहुत अच्छी नींद आती है. तो what should be our mindset that helps us wake up in the morning and achieve whatever we want to achieve?
That's
Um,
exactly, Gauri. That should be your mindset. That if you already know what you want to achieve.
hmm,
अब हमने ब्रह्म मुहूर्त के बारे में कितना पढ़ा है, कितना सुना है कि ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में तो क्यों होता है ऐसे.
hmm,
तो
hmm.
हर एक देवता का पार्ट ऑफ द डे, सो ब्रह्मा जी का अर्ली मॉर्निंग होता है, ठीक है,
Yes,
दैट्स हिज
yes.
टाइम.
Hmm, hmm,
विष्णु जी का दोपहर का समय होता है,
hmm,
और शिव जी का शाम का होता है 7:30 बजे के बाद. सो जो सुबह का, एंड ब्रह्मा जी इज द क्रिएटर,
hmm,
ओके, उन्होंने ही पूरी सृष्टि रची है, तो
hmm,
ही इज
hmm,
द क्रिएटर. तो
hmm,
उनका वो जो टाइम फ्रेम होता है, इज द टाइम टू क्रिएट, इज द
hmm.
टाइम टू मैनिफेस्ट. सो व्हेन यू वेक अप अर्ली, from a practical point of view, let me first start with that. Then I'll come to the spiritual. When you wake up early, you've suddenly extended your day. You will realize that if you wake up, let's say 5 or 5:30, by 8:30, when the rest of the house is supposed waking up, you are done with so much of work.
Hmm,
There is
hmm,
more, your nervous system feels calm.
hmm,
There is no rush in the morning. फिर जब आपकी पूरी family उठती है, even if you're a homemaker, you're rushing out for work.
hmm,
चिल्ड्रन है, हस्बैंड है, इन लॉज है, पेरेंट्स है, आपका स्टाफ है, आपको सब कुछ करना है. एंड इफ यूर अ वर्किंग वुमन, ये सब भी है और प्लस काम भी है. सो यू कैन
hmm.
इमेजिन द रश इन द मॉर्निंग. And this is one of the simplest, the easiest, and the most effective techniques for self development. You can use that time to write your affirmations, you can use that time to manifest what you want,
Yes.
to meditate, to exercise, to
Hmm.
walk out in nature, or just look at the green. It is such a beautiful and such a powerful time to energize yourself. So the
Yes.
mindset has to be that I'm doing this for my personal growth, to be able to achieve my goals. Okay,
Hmm.
have a set
Hmm.
of goals
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
try this. Journal your goals and see how in 40 days, if you follow this routine, how those things are shaping up or
Changing.
coming true. Things will
Hmm.
change, your
Hmm.
energy
Hmm.
will change. And you will see that इतनी आप में एनर्जी होती है कि आप, मतलब थकान नहीं महसूस होती. आपको भले
Yeah.
ही 8:30 9 बजे 9:30 10 बजे नींद आनी शुरू हो जाएगी, बट ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि थक टूट के बस मर ही गए क्योंकि सुबह 5:30 से उठे. यू विल फील सो एनर्जाइज्ड. ओके, आई नेवर यूज्ड टू बिलीव इट. इट्स अ 5 a.m. क्लब है ना, आज तक कुछ ये तो हो ही नहीं, नॉट पॉसिबल. बट आई हैव बीन डूइंग इट फॉर द लास्ट 6 months and it is so powerful, I can't tell you. So powerful. So that's one thing. The other remedy for Saturn is to donate black slippers, because Saturn denotes the feet.
Yes.
So donate black slippers on a Saturday to some needy person. आप काला छाता भी donate कर सकते हैं. But like मैंने बोला कि और कोई भी काली चीज जैसे काली दाल हो गई, काले तिल हो गए, सैटरडे को आप डोनेट कर सकते हो. बट सैटर्न की शॉर्ट बेस्ट रेमेडी इज
Hanuman
डिसिप्लिन.
Chalisa. Oh,
हनुमान
okay.
चालीसा ऑफ कोर्स.
Jai.
हनुमान चालीसा ऑफ कोर्स. तो हनुमान चालीसा, और क्यों हनुमान चालीसा, उसकी भी एक छोटी सी स्टोरी है विच आई लाइक टू शेयर. सो जब रावण ने बहुत सिद्धि प्राप्त करके शिव जी से वरदान लिया दैट आई एम द मोस्ट पावरफुल एंड मेरे को कोई डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं कर सकता, यू नो थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो ही बिकेम सो पावरफुल एंड सो ईगोइस्टिक. उसने सारे जो 9 ग्रह हैं उन सबको कब्जा कर लिया. ओके, एंड सबको अपने लंका में बंद करके रख दिया. The only person, the only planet, or the only god who didn't succumb to his pressure was Shani. शनि सेड तुम मुझे जो मर्जी कर दो, मैं तुम्हारा कोई काम नहीं करूंगा, आई विल नॉट डू इट. सो उन्हें शनि को बांध के, चेन से बांध के, हाथ पैर सब कुछ बांध के एक काल कोठरी में जाके उनको उल्टा लटका दिया था. एंड अब हनुमान जी आए. अब वो तो राम के दूत, वो जो राम जी बोलेंगे उनको वो ही करना है. तो वो आए सीता माँ को ढूंढते ढूंढते. तो उन्होंने देखा ये, तो फिर जो हमको सबको स्टोरी पता है, उन्होंने लंका में आग लगा दी. तो जब आग लगाई तो एक महल के एक हिस्से से उनको ये जो सब 9 ग्रह उनकी आवाजें आनी शुरू हुई. तो वहां पे गए, बाकी सब ग्रह तो निकाल दी, तो ये लटके हुए थे वहां पे. तो इन्होंने उनको हटाया, खोला, और तेल से उनके पैरों को मालिश करी, क्योंकि पैरों में से खून, चेन से बंधे हुए थे तो खून खून हो रहा था पैरों से. इसलिए हम जब भी शनि मंदिर जाते हैं, मैं बहुत लोगों को देखती हूँ सर से ऊपर तक तेल डाल रहे होते हैं, वेस्ट कर रहे होते हैं.
सिर्फ
नॉट
पैरों
नीडेड.
पे डाल. अच्छा.
सिर्फ पैरों पे डालते हैं शनि जी के तेल. सिर्फ, कोई भी रिचुअल हमें वेस्टेज नहीं सिखाता. इट्स जस्ट सिंबॉलिक जो हम करते हैं. तो आप एक बूंद भी डालेंगे पैर पे, इट्स गुड इनफ. सो इसलिए पैर पे डालते हैं. सो शनि जी ने वरदान दिया था कि मेरी दृष्टि अगर किसी पे, शनि की बोलते ना, किसी पे दृष्टि पड़े तो वो खराब होता है वो सारा काम. तो किसी की अगर 7.5 हो, किसी प्लान पे मेरी दृष्टि पड़ रही है, वो कोई भी ऐसा इंसान जो मेरी वजह से पीड़ित हो, अगर वो हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ेगा तो उसको कोई पीड़ा नहीं होगी. That is the story. As so, one of the biggest remedies for any Saturn affliction is Tuesdays को हनुमान मंदिर जाना और हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ना.
And discipline, as you said, and I
And
said
discipline.
yes.
Yeah, Shani's a disciplinarian. You can't just do the Hanuman Chalisa and not do anything about your life, and you think your
Yes.
planets. I feel for everything. अगर आप उसमें कुछ एक्शन नहीं डालोगे तो वो कभी बदल ही नहीं सकता. कैसे बदलेगा वो? हम जब
That's true.
तक कोई एक्शन नहीं करेंगे, हम जितनी मर्जी रेमेडीज कर लें, हम भले रोज ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में उठ के अपनी सारी एफर्मेशन लिखें, बट जब कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी हमारे सामने आए, हम डर के बैठ जाएं, हम उसको इग्नोर करें, उसको एक्सप्लोर ना करें, तो आपकी लाइफ नहीं चेंज होगी.
That is true. That is
बिल्कुल
true.
भी नहीं चेंज होगी. Okay, so yeah, this is, and for other thing about Shani is Shani governs the um, service class. So your staff at home, the labor, your watchman, आपका झाड़ू कटका जो करते हैं, कूड़ा जो उठाते हैं, he governs them. So be kind to these people. Be nice and kind to them. Very important. क्योंकि अगर आप, because Shani governs them, वो मतलब that Shani governs them. So अगर आप इनके साथ, बहुत लोग अपने स्टाफ के साथ रूडली बात करते हैं, अंडर पे करते हैं, उनका ख्याल नहीं रखते, तो that all should not be done. That should be avoided. मेरे हिसाब से तो थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा ही देंगे. Don't bargain. That's the worst thing you can do. सब्जी वाले से शोरूम में जाके हजारों लाखों के सामान खरीदेंगे, पर वो सब्जी वाले को बोलेंगे तुम 40 रुपए नहीं देंगे, तुम्हें 30 देंगे, तुम्हें 35 देंगे. It's a horrible attitude. It proves that you are living in total lack. और ये किसी गरीब से 5 रुपए बचा के क्या ही मिल जाएगा.
That
So
is true.
your Shani, I'm going on saying Sunny, your Shani gets very badly afflicted when you do things like this, when you bargain, you know, that. And the other thing, this is not related to Shani, but I will still say it. Do not expect freebies.
Hmm.
Don't take services and things from people and expect that you will not pay for it. It hampers your patri, your energy in total. Okay,
Right.
because you operate with so much lack. Instead of that, start saying, thank you, God, that I have the money to afford anything that I want. That's a far superior thing to say than to expect people to give you freebies.
Hmm.
Please
Hmm.
don't expect. Pay for whatever you are taking. Please pay for it. It is so important. कर्म अपने कम करो, बढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो फिर जन्म लोगे इसको फिर करने के लिए.
Because energy, as we say, no, there's a beautiful word for it, energy exchange. It's payment, but when you call it energy exchange, you get to know why we have to do it. So if
Yeah,
someone is providing you a service and then you're expecting just freebies out of it, you are not returning back or paying back for the service that they have provided you. तो
yes,
आप कुछ प्लस में लेके जा रहे हो जो आपको फिनिश करना है, जो आपके पास ऑलरेडी फिनिश करने का
exactly.
ऑलरेडी लोड पड़ा हुआ है.
Yeah, yeah. So and then you're creating a karmic loop because you've
Yes.
taken a service and you've not paid for it, and you will take birth again. So Ketu, when we were talking about number 7, Ketu will make sure that you keep coming back to Earth till you don't learn your mistakes, and Rahu will ensure that you keep coming back
Hmm.
till even the smallest desire remains unfulfilled.
Hmm.
So fulfilling our desires and correcting our mistakes will take you off the life and uh, birth cycle. So it's very
And
important, very, very
there's
important
one
to
more thing
understand.
about केतु is detachment. तो
Yeah,
अगर केतु किसी की अगर 7 नंबर है भी नहीं, but there's a very strong influence of केतु in your chart, for example, like शनि gives a lot of service, मतलब वो सर्विसेबल बना ही देता है एक आदमी को जब शनि का बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस होता है. वैसे ही जब केतु का बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस होता है तो डिटैचमेंट ला ही देता है. एंड जब वो जैसे वो बोलते हैं कि 12वें घर में केतु है, सिर्फ एक 12वें घर में केतु से पता नहीं चलता सब कुछ, बट एज एज दे से नो केतु ब्रिंग्स डिटैचमेंट. तो वैसे ही अगर हर प्लैनेट के हिसाब से आप वैसा वैसा थोड़ा काम करने लग जाओ तो आपको कोई प्लैनेट बुरा नहीं लगेगा, कोई
yeah,
प्लैनेट
yeah.
गलत नहीं लगेगा, या ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि यार दिस इज टू डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू डील
Yeah.
विथ.
And these are very
ऐसा.
simple things to do. And if you work with the energy of the planets,
हम्म.
especially the ones that are very dominant in your chart, you will
हम्म.
tend to see that, you start going with the flow of things,
या या
things will become smoother. अगर कोई मुश्किल आई भी है, तो उसको आप पार कर लोगे. वो इतनी आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं क्रिएट करेगा. It's like flowing with the water and flowing against it. So there is, we have to adopt the path of least resistance.
यस
So it is
यस.
so important to understand. So, like I said, it's very numerology is so interesting because it gives you so much insight on personality traits, and to be able to understand yourself and how you operate, that can really change a lot of things in
या
any person's life. Okay,
बिकॉज
so
आपका देखने का नजरिया बदल जाता है. जब
yeah,
नजरिया बदल जाता है तो काफी चीजें आसान हो जाती है कि अच्छा ये अगर
absolutely.
वैसा बिहेव कर रहा है तो शायद इस वजह से, एंड देन यू लीव इट टू
Yeah,
फेथ कि
yeah,
फेट मतलब अभी यू नो he'll behave how he wants to behave, I'll
yes,
behave how I have to behave in a proper
yeah,
way,
yeah,
and that's it. Yeah.
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 Okay,
So
last
coming to
number
number
is
9,
9. Yeah.
Mars.
So Mars, okay, Mars is an action planet. It's a fire planet. So these people are naturally attracted to action. मतलब इनको कुछ ना कुछ करना है. Very fiery energy. So they make excellent defense personnel. तो armed forces में, police में, detectives. Also because Mars is fire energy, so they make really good chefs. जो
Hmm.
cooking का होता है, restaurants, hoteliers, they make very good because fire energy is being used. So these people are very action oriented. इनको बिठाना एक जगह पे बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. मतलब इन्हें कुछ ना कुछ करना होता है ना. बड़े स्ट्रॉन्ग विल्ड भी होते हैं, वेरी डिटर्मिन्ड ऑल्सो कि जो काम कर लिया बस उसका.
Hmm.
सो दे विल नॉट मेक लाइक अ 5 year प्लान एंड देन डिसाइड अभी करेंगे, अभी जो सामने आया जो डिसाइड किया, get on to the job instantly. So they are like that. When a number 9 goes imbalance, they can create a lot of anger issues. So I have
Hmm.
usually seen with number nines, they have anger issues. Okay, they have inbuilt aggression. तो नॉर्मल कोई जैसे अगर नंबर थ्री होगा वो बात करके रिजॉल्व करना चाहेगा प्रॉब्लम, बट नंबर नाइन इज रेडी टू फाइट. They have
Mars energy.
so, oh, Mars energy. Mars energy is like fire energy. It's like a real fire energy. So they will want to fight. They will want to argue, and they will want to, become. They tend to, if it's imbalanced, they tend to become very, very aggressive. So
Hmm.
that's one thing they have to watch out. These people, if uh, they're usually prone to accidents also.
Yeah.
And अगर होता है accident तो इनको normally ना fractures बड़े होते हैं
Hmm.
नंबर नाइन के, because Mars brings like a break.
Break.
कुछ कट कर देगा. So they usually have these kind of things. But if they can regulate their anger, they are excellent leaders, excellent commanders. This is a nine number is like the commander in chief. So imagine like you have an army and
Yeah.
this is a commander. They are that powerful.
तो
मतलब वो जो बोलेंगे लोग करेंगे.
सो इन
Just
शॉर्ट
like that.
लाइक अगर छोटा जैसे बच्चा है कोई उसकी एनर्जी अगर हम एक सही डायरेक्शन में लगाए तो दैट एनर्जी कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू समथिंग वेरी गुड बट इफ इट्स नॉट
Yeah,
लुक्ड इनटू इट कैन बी अ डिजास्ट्रस एनर्जी सो दैट इज नंबर
absolutely.
9 इन शॉर्ट इफ आई कैन से
Yeah,
कि
number nine, sure.
it's like it always has a lot of energy it always has a
Very
lot of
energetic, very,
yeah
very energetic people. And so that's the whole thing. They need to control and consume that energy. So,
hmm
as a remedy,
hmm
the best remedy ever for number nine is to exercise every day.
hmm
They will realize this, that when they exercise every day, all this built up anger, all this built up energy, it gets an outlet. They will start feeling more calm, more peaceful. Because इनके अंदर इतना गुस्सा आता है. आप notice करना, नंबर नाइन्स को ना स्किन एलर्जीज बहुत होती है.
right
Psoriasis, eczema, these kind of things. They have a lot of skin because there's so much heat in the body. Okay,
yeah
this is the energy of Mars. This is the energy of number nine. Lot of heat, lot of energy like that. That needs to be diffused. So
hmm
exercise, sure shot. कुछ भी नहीं करना Mars की remedy. Just exercise every day. Any form of exercise. You can go to the gym, Pilates, aerobics. Just walking is good
just
enough.
swimming dancing would do anything
Anything that
yeah
brings you into a sweat. So for
hmm
them पसीना आना बहुत
अच्छा
जरूरी है.
अच्छा
कोई ऐसा
right
light मतलब नहीं, they need aggressive workout. So they should sweat it out. Like, so when you go to the gym, sweat it out. So
hmm
Mars energy is like that. They should do a lot of meditation because like I said, fire energy इनमें बहुत होती है. So to calm that energy down, they must meditate. And because it's Mars and Hanumanji is associated with the planet, so reading the Hanuman Chalisa, if not every day, at least on a Tuesday and a Saturday will really help. And the other, like it's like a totka, like a thing that works with Mars, is that या तो ब्लड डोनेट करें
hmm
साल में एक बार, या कुछ पैसे 10%, 1 to 10% के बीच में, वट एवर दैट अमाउंट कम्स टू, give buy medicines and go give it in a hospital or give it to
right
someone who needs that. So
right
these are some really good remedies of Mars. But more than anything else, to control this energy or to diffuse this energy, exercise is by far the best remedy, and it's totally in your control. हम में से हर जना सुबह उठ के आधा घंटा, 20 मिनट,
yes
15 मिनट
yeah
एक्सरसाइज को दे सकते हैं. There's no excuse.
and there's one thing about number nines that I've noticed because you spoke about exercise. I feel like number nines जब वो young होते हैं young in the sense from the 18 to 28 years of age I think उनमें बहुत जान होती है to exercise but then धीरे धीरे as life catches on थोड़ा वो exercise का schedule थोड़ा नीचे नीचे करके थोड़ा बंद हो जाता है so if people you know if the same thing is happening with you number nines or anyone who you know who is a number nine तो उनको बोलिए कि ठीक है कोई बात नहीं लाइफ तो चलती रहेगी बट एक्सरसाइज भी चलते रहना
एक्सरसाइज
चाहिए
करनी चाहिए.
बिकॉज या इट
एक्सरसाइज
रियली
हर
हेल्प्स एंड
नंबर को
दैट्स
करनी
ट्रू
चाहिए.
या
सम थिंग्स लाइक हम कहते हैं ना सैटर्न है तो अगर एफ्लिक्टेड है तो सैटर्न वालों को सुबह टाइम पे उठना चाहिए और सोना चाहिए. हर एक को उठना चाहिए
बिल्कुल
सुबह
बिल्कुल
टाइम पे. यू
बिल्कुल
विल सी द मैजिक. सो देयर आर सम कॉमन remedies which I think if everybody does, it will help all of them.
Yeah, especially as you said for manifestation, for
Yeah,
writing
yeah,
down whatever you want to achieve
yeah.
in the morning. वो बोलते थे ना कि बच्चों को जल्दी सुबह उठना चाहिए ताकि जो भी पढ़ना चाहते हैं वो ग्रास्प हो जाए तो
Yeah.
वैसे ही बड़ों को भी उठना चाहिए एंड we'll all make the effort to have it and make it an habit, क्योंकि
Yeah.
वो habit होती है तो उसका फल मिलता है. अगर वो रोज नहीं हो रही है, कभी कभी हो रही है, तो
Yeah,
it
you will
breaks the
not see the
cycle.
results. You won't
Yeah,
benefit from
yeah,
it if it's just one off something. Then see, in order to achieve something, you've got to be consistent.
yes,
So
yes.
consistency will get you success. It is just keep at it. Just keep doing whatever you're doing. Keep at it. One fine day, it will show up for you. Don't give up. That's the I mean, I feel that whatever we speak about, whether it's numerology or astrology, the life lesson is this: if you really want something, don't give up on yourself, because no one can tell you how much time it will take. I mean, so many people ask me, if I tell them, okay, for the next couple of days you have to do this, whatever I give them to do, कितना time लगेगा? और से मेरे को नहीं पता, जब तक आपको वो नहीं मिल जाता जो आपको चाहिए, आप इसको करते रहें, और वो कभी ना कभी जरूर. The universe loves a stubborn heart. Be so stubborn about what you want
That's
that
true.
it cannot be denied to you. So that is something that I think it's a good lesson to learn. Everybody should learn that.
मेरे गुरु ने एक बार कहा था कि एक बार आप जब वो दरवाजा खोलने की कोशिश करने, एक बार में नहीं खुलेगा, 100 बार में नहीं खुलेगा, 1000 बार में नहीं खुलेगा, बट जब वो दरवाजा खुलेगा तो जो ज्ञान आपको मिलना है या जो गाइडेंस आपको मिलना है, स्पेशली व्हेन पीपल डू एनर्जी वर्क और नॉर्मल पीपल आल्सो व्हेन दे आर लुकिंग फॉर सम गाइडेंस, तो जब आप अंदर से खुद को अपनी इंट्यूशन को कोई सवाल पूछते हैं या अपने स्पिरिचुअल टीम को कोई सवाल पूछते हैं, तो ऐसा ऐसा हो सकता है कि पहली बार में कोई जवाब ना आए, दूसरी बार में जवाब आए तो धीरे आए, तीसरे बार में चौथे दिन उसका जवाब मिले, पर जिस दिन वो दरवाजा खुल गया, उस दिन के बाद आपको पूछना नहीं पड़ेगा, आपको बस वो बोलते हैं ना कि एक एक गाइडेंस आ जाएगा अपने आप, आपके मन में वो ख्याल आया, आपको गाइडेंस आ गया कि अच्छा तुम्हें इस चीज का ना ये करना है, इस चीज का ना ये करना है, बस एक बार वो दरवाजा खुलने की देर है. एंड दैट्स व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू आर सेइंग पूजा जी, कि बस करते रहिए, जब वो खुलेगा, वंस दैट डोर ओपन्स विद द की, यू आर जस्ट अ
Yeah.
मिलियनेयर, आपको फिर कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Also, I feel, Gauri, with whatever I have experienced in my life, it's not so much that key, what is the end goal? I will reach my goal. I know that. But who you become in the process of reaching that goal, that is far more superior than the goal itself,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
that you will only reach your goal when you have transformed yourself.
yes.
So who you become in the process of reaching your destination is is something that I think that is something that needs to be really thought about, because that is where the real change is happening. आपको जो चाहिए वो तो आपको मिल ही जाएगा, अगर आप कंसिस्टेंटली उस पे काम कर रहे हैं वो मिल जाएगा. बट आप कैसे, आपका क्या परिवर्तन हुआ है, आप क्या थे और आप क्या
Yeah.
बन गए हैं, that is, for me, that is magical. Who you
And
become in the process of reaching your goal or your destination, that for me is magical. It's so superior.
एंड उसके लिए आई थिंक जर्नलिंग करना बहुत जरूरी है. जर्नलिंग इन द सेंस जस्ट एक डायरी मेंटेन करना. इवन इफ यू कांट राइट 10 sentences in a day, in that diary, when you sleep or when you wake up in the morning, at least have 5 sentences or 2 sentences in the start, कि क्या करना चाहिए, आज मेरे में क्या बदलाव है, क्योंकि 6 महीने में भी इंसान बदल जाता है, तो 6
Mm.
महीने पहले इंसान कैसा था ये देखने के लिए, इफ यू जर्नल, यू विल गेट टू नो, oh my god, I was like this and this is the
Mm.
transformation I've made in those 3 months. So
Yeah,
it was
yeah,
a
that could be
great,
one way. Sure.
yeah, yeah.
Okay,
It
somebody's
was,
asking, Meher is
yes,
asking, can you please tell about number 3 again? I missed it. Meher, we are starting our segment of tarot reading.
yeah.
The recording is on the page, on my page. So you just have to listen to the recording and you'll know about number
And
3. Okay?
there's also one more question कि हमें सिर्फ black चीजें ही क्यों donate करनी है, when we're talking about Shani, and you said yeah,
Because
black
Shani
slippers.
signifies black color. He's a
Yes.
soul. Every planet has a color. So like Venus has pink, number 6. Venus is pink. Number 3 is
Green,
yellow.
yellow. No, so number
Yeah.
5 is green.
Number
Sorry.
5 is green.
Yeah.
Number 2 is white. Number 1 is like a orange. So every planet has a color associated with it. So that's why we say black for Shani.
That is true.
Okay, so we have like a surprise element
Yeah.
again. I'm here with my tarot cards. I for all the viewers, I think you can ask a question. So
Yes.
last time we did a generic reading. You can ask a yes no question to me because it'll we have 10 minutes only. It'll be difficult to give you a detailed reading, but you can please post your question in the comment section, and I will do my best to answer them.
It could be as simple as, you know, would I, Pujaji, correct me if I'm wrong. So for the yes no question, would I be able to get the job, or is it too
Yeah,
much? Yeah,
yeah,
you can also ask that.
yeah.
Would I be able to get
Yeah.
the job, or anything
Yeah.
that you have in your mind right now that you need an answer to, in a yes or no type of an answer? Please feel free to type in the comments, and let's know your questions, because then I think we should start with the general reading first, Poojaji, until
Okay.
then, if people
Okay.
are.
So doing a general reading for the group, for all the people who are here on this live. Let's see what the cards want to tell you. All money cards. All of those who are have been little confused about finances कि ये करें या वो करें या यहाँ invest करें या वहाँ invest करें. Just be rest assured that a lot of money is coming your way. So very powerful energy. If you're a man or you're a woman, both will get um, a lot of wealth is coming, a lot of growth is coming, lot of opportunities is coming. So the past might have been a little bit difficult, but the future is very promising. So this is a financial. All three. I pulled out three cards. All three are finance cards. So yeah, money is coming your way.
Great. So people, money is coming to everyone's way
Yes.
who's watching this and who will be watching it. But we do have a question, and it is from Meher, and she's asking, will I be the best version of myself by the end of 2026?
Okay, will Meher be the best version of herself by the end of 2026? Let's see, Meher. Where you will have to put in a lot of hard work, a lot of introspection, more than like physical hard work. You will have to really go deep inside and understand what you really want and then go ahead with it. So it's not going to be an easy journey, but if you're able to do it, 100% you will be the best version of yourself. So go deep within, understand what your blocks are, what is stopping you from right now, from being who you want to be, and then just go ahead with doing what you need to do. And the cards are telling me you have it in you. The magician card. You have it in you. You know it all. You just need to push yourself forward, and yeah, you'll be able to reach your goal.
Great. Thank you so much for this question, Meher. And if anyone wants to know anything else in a yes or no, please type it in. And we'll be doing this every week. So it was going to be Akashic Tarot, but it's still taking time for me. So until then, we are going to do tarot as well. So every week Thursday, the last 15 to 20 minutes would be given to your questions, so that you get a little bit of clarity in anything that you want clarity on. So that's the reason why we started this. I hope you like it, and you can show us, if you have any questions, by the comments or by the
Yeah,
DMs, for
yeah.
sure.
Yeah. So if you have, yeah, we still have 5 minutes. If there is more questions coming up, more than happy to answer them for you. Yeah, but it's something that we are planning to continue with, because we got a lot of queries on this kind of to add on this segment. So that's why we decided to do it the last 15 minutes of the live, and every week we come up with a different topic, unless there is a part one and part two like we had for numerology.
Yes.
So yeah, that's what we do, and the last 10 to 15 minutes we will devote to answering any questions you may have. Okay, so
Yes.
We can
And
just do.
there's an important announcement for next week. So next week
Yeah.
we do have a podcast on Thursday, but the timing is going to change just for this just for the coming Saturday Thursday, and the timing would be from 4 to 5. So next Thursday we'll be live from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Yeah.
IST. So please do not forget to join in and um, speak to us and let us know if you like it, if you like the topics that we are coming up
Yeah, give
with.
us your feedback. That will be so nice. Give us your feedback if you'd like for us to cover any topics that you want more information or more knowledge on. Share that with us, and we'll be happy to do our research work and get back to you with good stuff. Both Gauri and I spend a lot of time in researching topics, discussing what we want to share with the viewers. So, a lot of love, heart, a lot of patience goes in this work. So, if you guys want us to cover anything, just let us know and we'll
Yeah.
try our best to do it. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Anybody has any question?
Meher, because you had this question, and if you're still here, until someone asks the question, should we just recap on number three, just so that there's a little bit of understanding?
Okay, so Meher, number three is the number of the guru, the teacher. Okay. Number three people are generally they associated with a lot of wisdom. Okay, so a lot of wisdom comes to them. They carry a lot of knowledge. Okay, they will carry a lot of knowledge. They like to share that knowledge. These people make great counselors. They make great therapists. So it's a number of knowledge, wisdom. Like I said, it's the guru. It's the energy of the guru, the teacher. They make excellent teachers. When this number is at its best, this is what it does. It will give you knowledge, it will give you wisdom, it will give you the ability to speak. So communication becomes really good. These people are constant learners. They will keep wanting to learn more and more things. So that's a number three. The color associated with number three is yellow.
Yellow.
So number three should wear more yellow. Okay, so they should really, I mean, whenever Meher you go out shopping, see that you pick up more yellow stuff. So they should wear and avoid dark colors.
Yeah.
Um, they can sometimes become obsessive about what they're doing, so that needs to be kept in check. As a remedy, on Thursdays you can donate something yellow. So it could be yellow fruit, it could be yellow mithai, it could be fruity, the yellow boxes
Hmm.
में जो आता है, like that.
Hmm.
So if you donate yellow things on Thursday, then yes, that is a good remedy.
Great.
Yes,
Great.
I'm a good talker and I love learning about things that interest me and I'm very obsessive too. Yeah, so there you go. So that's a number three for you, Meher.
That's great. That's great. And let us know if you would like to hear more about this. But we are thinking that the next topic that we would I haven't told you, I haven't spoke to you about this, Poojaji, but you can correct me. But I think we can talk about mediumship, mediums, in the
Very
next
interesting topic, yeah.
episode.
Yeah.
For people who would be interested, it is something that you talk to your loved ones or to the souls who have departed, in the next realm. And you can not just talk to people, but you can also talk to the objects. You can also talk to plants. You can also talk to your loved animals, and that is something that we would like to talk and share with you about. So medium, who are mediums, and
What is
what do media?
mediumship? Yeah, what is
Yeah.
mediumship? So, yeah, Gauri is the expert on that, and she will take this topic next Thursday. But please do remember the change in time. We will also
Yes.
post it on our story, so you will know. Next week it is 4 to 5, and
Yes.
we will be talking about mediumship. So yeah, if you have any questions regarding mediumship, or if you want to personally connect with Gauri for a reading, then you can always do that. And
Yes.
yeah, let's learn more about mediumship next week. Just as a closing note, let me just pick up another card for the Viewers, okay. So card has just jumped out. A lot of opportunities will come your way. If you're looking for new jobs, trying to start a new business, or you want to do anything new, a lot of opportunities are coming. So when an opportunity shows up, please explore the possibilities. Okay. So just
Right.
see that something. So the cards today have been really good, all related to career and money. So there is at least one, if not more, a really good opportunity will show up for whoever's aligning with this energy in the group. Okay. So, yeah, I
For
think
sure.
that's it for today, Gauri. If there's anything
Yes.
else you want to add,
No, thank you so much, Pooja ji, for such a beautiful explanation about numbers, because Pooja ji is a
sure.
pro into numbers and what do numbers want to tell us. And I'm sure you would have got a guidance on understanding that numerology is not everything, but numerology is something through which you can get to know about yourself
Yeah.
and get to know about what are the traits that you have in yourself and what are the things that you have to work on yourself for. For example, donating black slippers or kale til is something that is really helpful for number eight or for the other remedies that Pooja ji spoke about. So do let us know if that resonated with you, and we will come back to you next Thursday with a new topic, with all new energy and the loving light, which is the enlightenment within that we all have. So thank you so much. Jai
Thank you,
Shri Ram.
guys.
It
Thank you
was
so much
pleasure.
for joining us today, and we will see you next Thursday at
4
4
p.m.
p.m. It's only for next Thursday, the timings are changed, and the following Thursday, then it's back to 7 p.m. But next
Yes.
Thursday, we will see you at 4 p.m. Have a most wonderful,
Uh,
joyful, happy week.
Thank you so much, Meher,
God
for
bless.
all your questions, and
Yes,
we
thank
are
you,
so
Meher, for your
happy
questions.
that
Yeah,
you have
we're happy
joined
that you're
us.
here.
And there's also one more thing for people who are, if they're a little shy to ask questions, please don't be shy. We are all a team. We all are like family here. So please, feel free to speak and to ask questions, because we are all here to,
To learn and grow together. We're all
yes,
here in this journey together, so don't be shy. Okay?
yes, yes.
It's okay.
Please don't be shy. And thank you so much. It was
Thank
all our
you.
pleasure.
We'll see you next week. Jai
Jai
Shri
Shri
Ram.
Ram.
Har
Bye
Har
bye.
Mahadev.
Har Har Mahadev.